In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a PDF in Constant Contact emails. Let's start by opening your Constant Contact email campaign. From your account, head to your campaign's list and open the draft you want to work on. This brings you into the email editor, where you can add content blocks, adjust layout, and set up your link. Make sure you're in the section of the email where you want readers to access the document, such as near a call to action or below a summary that explains what the PDF contains. Next, make sure your PDF is available in your Constant Contact library. If it isn't already uploaded, open the library or files panel and add it there. It helps to give the PDF a clear, descriptive file name so it looks professional when someone clicks it. Keep the file size reasonable for faster loading and double check that the latest version is the one you're uploading. If the document is already in your library, you're good to go. Now decide how you want people to access the PDF in your email. You can add a line of text, like download the guide, or you can insert a button for a more prominent call to action. Place this text or button where it naturally fits within your content and write a concise, action oriented label so readers know exactly what they'll get when they click. If you're using text, highlight the exact words you want to turn into a link. If you're using a button, click to select the button block in the editor. Selecting the text or button ensures the link tools appear so you can connect your content directly to the PDF. Insert the PDF link using the link option in the toolbar or the button settings. Choose the option to link to a document from your library, then browse for and select your PDF. If the editor allows it, set the link to open in a new tab for a smoother reader experience and enable click tracking so you can measure engagement. Confirm your changes and make sure the button label or link text still reads clearly. Before sending, preview and test. Use the preview mode to check placement and styling, then send yourself a test email. Click the link on both desktop and mobile to confirm the PDF opens correctly and the content looks right. If anything seems off, return to the editor, reselect the PDF, and update the link. Once everything works as expected, save your changes and you're ready to send with confidence.